Yo, what's up guys? Today we are back with another video. This time we will be discussing about question set 18. In the previous video we have discussed about question set 17, and that we in that video we have created this ER diagram. So here's the answer to the 17 question, set 17. Uh, so this is the question set 18. You can pause the video right here and take a look at what the question states. So here's the first part and here's the second part, and I think you have read the question, so let's just try to answer that. So throughout this question it tests our knowledge on how to insert data into this table. So the first question suggests that we have to enter these two classes 11a and 11b to the class table. So you can just do it with any other tool, MySQL or HDSQL. I'm using Navicat. You can use any other tool. So yeah, so for the class table, just go to this. So first select the DB, and I'm in exam marks DB. So just select. If it's selected, this shows a green mark. So just select here and select class table. So the class name is 11a. Just copy that, and when you are done, just click here. So okay, you have to just, I thought that would auto implement, but no. uh, yeah, and 11b true. Okay, so that's that. So let's jump right into the second question. So this we have to insert data into the student table. So I will just insert one record, and you can just it's the same procedure, so I will speed up the video. So student, so first student index number, first name is Sadun, last name is Vijayaratna, gender is male, contact number is this, and these things this is where things get interesting. So for the class claim, we have to insert the ID, relevant ID to the class 11a. So when we look at here, it is 1, so we just can select insert 1, or you just can select from here. So if all things set, just click on this, and if there isn't any error, it will execute. So yeah. So yeah, I have inserted all the data required data to the student table. So let's just try take a look at the question number 3. So we have to insert the subject into the subject table. So just select subject from here, uh, and okay, so subject ID is 1. Okay. So then we have to move on to the fourth question. So you have to insert terms, first term and second term with these dates. So let's look at the exam term table and term name. Okay, so we have to insert this, I think. Okay, I think there are spaces here because of that. So the temporal values doesn't want spaces in between. So yeah, that's why this gives me errors. So we have to just deal with the spaces. And yeah, so the last question states that we have to insert this data to student exam mark record. So I will insert the first two. uh, I will insert like the first record. So this is a bit complex, I think, for someone. So first you have to select the student index number. Okay, you need to refresh this. Make sure to delete no close all of these tabs and refresh. And you here are the student uh, index numbers. So all the student index numbers. So I will select the first one, and first name is Sanu. So I know it is student with this STU001 is Sanu. So no need to check these. So the first term is 50. Yeah, so where are we? Okay, so the first student. So you have to uh, the first term test he gets formats is 50. So you just insert 50 here, and this ID will auto increment, I think. So the exam term is first, and the subject ID is, I have to check the subject ID of maths is 1. So this is 1. And yeah, and if this is successful, it will show no errors and will execute. So yeah, and I will insert the students other subjects in the first term. So for science he gets the same student, so the same index number. For science he gets 85, and for exam so the exam term is first term. Subject ID is, I think, 2. Yeah, I think 2. Yeah, so I will also so it is complete. I will also put civil and literature's first term test marks. So the term test marks, it is same index number, subject ID is 3, exam term is 1, marks is 78.6. Okay, yeah, So this will take for float values because we have specified this column to be double. So yeah, and after I finish this table, I will meet you. So please. Okay, with great difficulty I have inserted all of these prompts. So the same logic goes to here. So there are actual like 49 records. So yeah, that was a really hard one. So that wraps up the fifth question. So, and that's the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching and peace.